What's up guys? Welcome to another travel vlog. Alright, in this video, I'll be showing you Brickell Miami. Let's go. What's up guys? So I'm currently now here in Brickell. So it's kind of weird. It's my first time vlogging or like doing solo traveling. I mean, I'm not really solo traveling, but I'm here in Brickell by myself. I left my family in the hotel. Our hotel is maybe like 20 minutes away from here, or maybe a little less. Since they're all tired, they don't want to come. I came back here by myself. We were here like a week and a half ago, but I couldn't really vlog because we're only here for a short period of time. But now I'm here. I have all night to just walk around here and see what's here. All right, let's go. And I actually saw people going in there. It's the SLS hotel. Let's go check it out. Let's see. Wow. Looks pretty fancy in here, guys. I feel like I don't belong here. Never mind. I'm going back out. That was a little wishful thinking. I thought I could go in there. I thought it was a hotel. It's actually like a condo or something. I could be wrong though, but I saw SLS residences or something like that. I could be wrong. Anyway, let's keep walking. Oh, fam, just a little tip. If you want to come to Brickell, and if you're planning to walk around here, I highly recommend that you come at nighttime. Well, right now it's currently almost 8 p.m. and there's still daylight. And it's not as hot like the last time we were here. Last time we were here, it was like around 3 p.m., 4 p.m. It was scorching hot. Oh my god, I didn't even want to walk around at that time. The weather is really similar to the Philippines. It's super humid here, guys. So I'm taking a little break right now. Actually, I lied. I told you earlier that come in the afternoon or like around 7 or 8 because it won't be too hot. But right now, oh my god, I'm dripping. It feels so freaking hot. One more thing I wanted to tell you, I really love Brickell. This city is super cool. They built this shopping center there. I'm gonna go there later. It's called the Brickell City Center. I guess it's $1 billion project. So nice, guys. This city is super developed, very clean, and also super modern. All right, let's continue walking. Come along. And over there, it's the Brickell City Center station. If you want to take the train, you can go up there. I'm not taking the train, but I just wanted to see what it looks like up here. Let's go check it out. Station is there. You go one floor up and I'll take you to the mall. I'll show you the mall in a little bit. There's also a little outdoor park area here, and then this is the entrance to the mall. One of the entrances. Smoke shop is getting busted. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm now back here in the hotel. I'm gonna start packing because we're gonna leave tomorrow. So again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, I'm outie. Deuces.